Hi, I'm Maxim, 22 years old, race car driver, and I work for 911Motorsport in Antwerp, Belgium. My dad started a business before I was born, so about 25 years ago. He actually had another business, another workshop where they worked on classic Ferraris of all car brands. Then that business went bankrupt due to the other owner. He was a bit nonchalant. And then my dad started this business more like a hobby because he had some Porsches that needed work done. Then he hired Mike. He was the mechanic from the other workshop. From then on, they started working on his cars, and other people looked at it and they asked him, like, can you work on our cars as well, on client cars? And then from that point, he started working on client cars as well, hired some other people to work on that, and then he built it out to this where we're sitting at. So this is my dad's workshop with his collection in the back. And then my part is in the back of the building where we do client cars, where we do everything from services to restorations. We have a dyno as well. We bought the second half of the building in January, or last year. We moved there in January. We have 3 working bridges there, or dyno as well. And we work on everything from 356s all the way up to air-cooled, water-cooled cars, the newer models as well, up until 992 cars. Only thing we don't do are EVs and hybrids. So my dad started racing when he was a bit older, so gentleman, in America, where he raced with a 993 RSR, with a 911 3-liter RS as well. And he drove all over the world in those cars. He did Laguna Seca with it, Daytona, Sebring. He raced here in Europe as well, but mostly gentleman championships, so such as Le Mans Classic, which he did last year, where he won in his category with the 934. And he also loves doing rally. So we have some rally cars here as well, which we use for Goodwood Festival of Speed on the rally stage. We did the Eiffel rally with it, and then some local rallies in Belgium, but mostly demo rallies, not like the WRC guys. I'm a race car driver as well. I drive in LMP3 prototypes in the European Championship, but I still enjoy driving the vintage cars as well. My great-grandfather, yeah, that's where the Porsche story began. He was a really classy guy. I never met him, too bad. But he drove Porsches. He also drove English cars, Jaguars. But he had a 2.7 RS Touring, a yellow one, which my great-grandmother had to sell when he died. And my dad actually went on a search to find that car, that exact car, and he found it in Portugal, I think 30 years or 40 years after they sold it. We bought another shop in Belgium, and they had like this 964 look race car, and we didn't know what to do with it. And my dad is into art. Art is really subjective, and he's also a bit of a crazy guy, and he's against everything that's environmentally friendly. So he put Greta Thunberg on the car with windmills that got destroyed by birds and stuff. So that car we take to track days and just do hot laps with people and just drive around for fun, but it's not that special. We have a original 1967 911R, 1 out of 24 cars, so 20 client cars and 4 prototypes. It's a really special car. It was also used in the brochure to launch the new 911R, which we also have. And that one is also a tribute to the old one that we have. We have been working on some client cars as well, some very special cars. So we did a full restoration on a 2.7 RS Touring, which is now in mint condition. At the moment we have another 2.7 RS Touring in the same color scheme, which had some problems starting, but we did a test drive earlier today and it runs fine, so yeah. I actually don't know how it started because I've been working here since last year, and I think we've been working with you guys for a bit longer than that. But I think we just found you guys through the internet and mutual connections that also use your services. And we've been really happy with the partnership. We get great material, great parts, and just the communication with you guys is going so smoothly, and we like to have this partnership going for a very long time. I mostly deal with Zico. Yes, it's easy because he speaks Dutch as well. He's a really friendly guy. I haven't met him yet, but I hope he'll visit soon. And I also enjoy that you guys are at every event and are organizing lots of events yourselves, and that you're doing this with us. I mean, it's really lovely to see that a brand is so interested in their customers as well. It's really, really lovely. The newest thing that's coming is our Dyno. We would like to promote that a bit, especially for our clients who will be doing engine rebuilds, to get a before and after. Also to get data from it, because you can get a lot of data from driving it on the dyno than just driving it on the street. We also organize track days. We do track support for clients as well to go to races. We organize track days, track weeks actually, 2 times a year in April and September in Abbeville. It's in the northeast of France, right next to Calais. So it's also easy for UK guys to come over. We have some plans in the future to work things out in the back of the building mostly. We would like to have this workshop up and running. It is up and running, but all the cars running. And then try and enjoy it and do way more events with it, because the cars need to drive, obviously. We understand what it's like to drive Porsches. And to drive a Porsche is something special. And for us, it's not just a car, it's a piece of art, you know? And we know what it's like, and we want to give that feeling to our clients as well, and have them feel to be in a Porsche family, right? So not that they're clients, but more like family members, you know? The red line in the collection is my dad always loved RSs, and it started with the 2.7 RS from his grandfather. And from that point, he got this view that he wanted to have all the RSs, which is a pretty difficult task. But he managed to have a lot of RSs and RSRs as well. And that was a bit of the connection in the collection, to have all the RSs and all the RSRs, and then some other fun stuff in between, like the turbos, Turbo S's. You can book an appointment on our site or have a call with my dad. But for big groups, we give guided tours, but that you have to book on our website, 911Motorsport.be. But if you're just coming with a couple of friends or alone, you can make a call and then we can arrange something. Without my dad, nothing would be possible, so I'm really grateful for my dad, and I'm happy that he's enjoying it more. It's really important for people who work a long time and build something up, that they can finally start enjoying it when they're a bit older. So that's why I'm here. I can take the business side of things and he can take the pleasure. I'm gonna say a sentence that my dad loves, and we both have it on our racing helmets. It's a pretty funny one, and I think it goes up to the hype here. He who dies with the most toys wins. It's a funny line. It's a funny line. He took it to his heart.